people, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's a girl Rachel. So as seen by the title down below, I'll be giving you guys an unboxing video today. So you all know the usual routine. Please, I'm asking you to make sure you drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. Turn on the post notification bell so you never miss an upload whenever time I post a video. And most importantly, please remember to watch your ads, that way you all can support me. So please remember to subscribe to my second channel, Journey with Rush, and follow me on all socials at rush_Sheila. So this video is highly sponsored by Firstbags AD. So this is basically my first time doing a video for them. So I'll be placing their website link in my description box down below so that you guys can just click on it and head over there. So they sell a wide variety of nice things over there, including footwear, bags, clothes, and stuff. Okay, so if you guys are gonna be purchasing anything on this website, you guys can use my code Trending Queen and you guys can get 5% off. No, this coupon code, which is 5% off, will only be eligible for persons that will be placing an order. If your order is more than 200 USD, then you have a chance to get 5% off once you use my code Trending Queen. So I'm gonna be placing their website link in the description box down below, their WhatsApp and their emails so that you guys can reach out to them. Okay, so this is the package that they sent me, right? So I'll be opening it. I don't know why every time before open a package I always leave the scissors. Why am I always do that? Like, anyway, hold on a sec quick. Alright guys, so I am back. Hold on. Me thirsty, you know, the time hot. One day we can pull from it anyway. Bubblegum. Yeah, the girl bubblegum. Alright guys, so this is what we're gonna be unboxing. So this brand is Louis Vuitton. Okay, so how this pull now? This one different from every other. Okay, so not bad. This one this way. Alright guys, so what? see. Alright guys, so these slippers are, I guess I got these slippers. So this brand is Celine. Yeah, so, and the size is size 40. So yeah, I got this. And then I'm gonna show you all the other one. And then I got this one. So this is Louis Vuitton. And I'm not like this, the bottom of this tough, you know, bottom of this tough. So see here. So yes, 2 slippers. So I'm gonna be trying them on and show you all how they look, and then you guys can rate them from 1 to 10 for me. So yeah, so we get a bag for the Celine slippers, and then I got a bag as well for the Louis Vuitton. Right, so every time I got a package, I got bags like these to put the things in if it's a case where I want to use these as well, right? So I'm gonna try on slippers and then show you all how they look. So let's go. Alright guys, so we're gonna go on with this one first. Alright guys, alright, so this fit very nice. This fit me very nice. As you all can see, this is definitely my size. So this sit down on my foot good. Let me try on the next one now, which is this one, and show you all how it looks. Alright guys, so the next one here. So you all can tell me which one you like, if you like the other one or if you all like this one, and let me know down in the comment section. Okay, so see close up look there of the shoe. So this is a close up view of the shoe. Alright guys, so if you all are interested in getting any one of these exact same footwear, whether it be the Celine brand, cause like, I don't know, for some reason I am in love with this. I love the whole design of the slippers, you know, even though it's simple, it's unique. Yeah, the whole black and gold thing, yeah, it's unique. And when you can hear for yourself, say it's a tough slippers this. So no say not like a cheap plastic slippers this, where by when you just walk 2 times and it pop out. This is firm, right? Yeah, and it's well tough. So I have the plastic to take off at the bottom, because I did try it on and I just say it's simple, but then I realized the plastic will come off. So I have the plastic to take off at the bottom of the slippers, and then I wear it. Now this one, as for this one, which is the Louis Vuitton, this the bottom is well tough, and like the bottom here is tough, but here so is really soft in texture. So this is not the type of footwear where you go wear with like tough, where you know I'm gonna make your foot bottom hurt you. This is definitely not it. So what I like about this one now is this, that it comes with 2 straps, as you all can see. So the top strap right here, and it's adjustable to how you want it, how tight you want it on your foot, And if it's a case where you don't want to wear this way, you can, hold on. It's a case where you don't want to wear this just like this, you can pull it, dry it, and tighten it same way. Okay, yeah. So I love this. Like, this reminds me of the slippers them way, you know, my father used to bring for me. So yeah, I like it. So I'll be placing the shoe links in my description as well. So if you guys want to purchase the same exact shoe, you can just click on the link and then it will bring you straight to the website and you guys can purchase it. Now please guys, remember to use my code TrendingQueen so that you guys can get 5% off. And remember, this is only eligible if you're going to be purchasing anything that is over 200 USD. Okay, so alright guys, so please remember to use my coupon code TrendingQueen so that you guys can get 5% coupon off, right? And please, again, remember to tell me down in the comment section which one of the footwear you guys like most. If you guys like the Celine or if you guys like the Louis Vuitton, okay? So it's a girl Rush and I'll catch you all in the next video. So thank you all so much for watching the video. Bye!